Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook page name. So let's go to your Facebook first. Click on three dash icon which is top right corner with your profile picture. Now you can see here beside your name the page, but you have to click on the downward button. Then you can see your pages. Select the page which you want to choose the name or change the name. Here's your page profile switched already. Now you have to click on the top right corner which is with your profile picture, page profile picture I mean. Then you can see beside the menu button which is a settings icon. Click on the settings icon. Now you will find here page settings, the first option. Click on this. Now click on name option. Here's the page name. You have to change your page name to anything you want, like rewrite your page name. Why? Just click on review change. Here you have to put your Facebook password. Hold a second, I'm putting my Facebook password and back to you. After putting your password, click on save changes, the blue button. Sorry, it's incorrect password. I'm trying again. Click on the blue button and you can see here the page name. Or auto will not allow that name. Okay, you have to choose another name. Okay, that name is not allowed, like travel agency. Click on review change. Select your password again. Put your password I mean. Hold a second. Now click on save changes, the blue button. Click on your name again. Here you can see your name was anything, the page name, but it has changed to travel agency. So your name will last for 7 days. You cannot change it again within 7 days. Okay, so this is how you can change Facebook page name. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.